In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn $49 into $1 million in a lot shorter than you think. Stay tuned for the end when I show the full results, the full breakdown, and the trading strategy that's used. Welcome back, guys. I hope you're enjoying the daily content. This is Trades by Mo, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn $49 into $1 million. In the previous video, I showed you guys a method by Hoffman called the Retracement Inventory Bar Strategy. If you want to check out the full strategy video, I'll leave a link in the description below. But basically, it's a set of 3 indicators. I'm going to go over this very quickly. There's 2 EMAs, double click that, and the third indicator, type in Rob Hoffman. And it's this one here, the inventory retracement bar. It's the only 3 indicators you need to make $1 million, I promise. In the settings, we want to change the red to green and the green to red, like that. And we want to get rid of this third option here. Now for the first EMA, we want to change it to 20, change the color to white. The second EMA, we want to change the time frame to 1 hour, the length to 20 again, then change this one to red. Basically, all you want to do is for a sell, wait for the white EMA to be below the red EMA, and you're going to wait for one of these red triangles to appear for a sell. You place your sell order right below the wick of that candle. Your stop loss will be right above the candle with the triangle, and then you go for 1.5 times the risk. Same applies for a buy. You wait for the white to be above the red, and then you wait for the green triangle. Like I said, I've got a full breakdown for that strategy. It's super simple, I promise you. Don't worry about that for now. Honestly, you'll learn that method in 20 minutes. You won't believe the results. So for this method to work, you're probably wondering, what are we spending our $49 on? I'm going to show you now. So we want to go to Google and type in My Forex Funds, and it's this top one here. Basically, this is just a funded trader program that allows you to purchase more capital on a demo account. I'll explain. So we want to go for an evaluation account. Super simple, but basically you're only allowed 5% daily drawdown, 12% overall drawdown. Phase 1, you make your 8% of the account. Then you go into phase 2, you make 5%, and if you pass both of those, you get a live account. Most of you will probably know all this, but there's plenty of videos on it. If not, this isn't why you're here. You're here because you want to make $1 million, and I'm going to tell you how. So these are not scary at all. Tried and trusted. They've been around for years, and they have great customer service. By the way, this is not a sponsor. There is no affiliate whatsoever. But as you can see here, they have the different packages, the 5,000, the 10,000, 20, 50, 100, 200. I'm saying $49 because the $5,000 account costs $49 to purchase. And then once passing phase 1 and phase 2, that you can see here, you'll get access to trade with $5,000. First month you keep 75%, second month you keep 80%, and then the third month you keep 85%. And I've planned out exactly how you can turn $49 into $1 million. It is so fast, you'll want to quit your job right away, I promise you. Please don't off my back though, always do your back testing, make sure you always test. So this is a document I've created that basically breaks down the method you can see here. So what we're going to do is, just go with me here. This sounds like a lot of information, but I'm going to show you the results in a minute and it will blow you away. You could jump straight to buying the $200,000 account and using the Hoffman strategy, but that does cost $979, which is quite steep for a lot of people. For some people, that's almost entire month's wage. The price of $49 is a takeaway to a lot of people, you know what I mean? It's super cheap. Nice and simple, we're going to start with a 5k account. So, just go with me, I promise you. 5k account, you purchase it for $49. Every single trade, you risk 1% to make 1.5%. So risking $50 to make $75. To pass phase 1, they give you 30 days. You need to make $400 profit, which is 5.3 winning trades. So then you go on to your phase 2, which is 60 days, and you get double the time to make even less amount of money. So you get 60 days to make 250, which is 3.3 trades. Boom, you get your live account, and $5,000 is yours to trade with. You can't touch the initial $5,000, but you keep the profits. All you've got to do on that live account is win 2 trades to get $150 profit, and boom, you've got enough money to purchase the $10,000 account. You see where I'm going here with this? Purchasing the cheapest account, passing phase 1 and 2, buying the 10k account, passing phase 1 and 2, and then with the profits, buy the 20k account, so on and so on. And you can just keep stacking up. And once you've got that 200k account, you won't believe how quick it is to make $1 million. So now we've got our 10k account for $84. We're risking $100 to make $150. In 5.3 trades again, we'll make 800. We'll pass phase 1, phase 2, make 500. Boom, got a live account, and so on and so on. I will leave a link to this document down in the description if you do want to check it out. But it's basically rinse and repeat from the 5,000 all the way to the 200,000. Exactly the same amount of trades every single time. It's just for a different amount. The only thing that can seem quite scary to someone is, for example, with the 5,000 account at the very beginning, to pass phase 1 you need $400 profit to pass phase 1. But when you get to the 200k account, you need to make $16,000 profit to pass phase 1. But don't worry about the numbers. The risks is exactly the same. The amount of trades you've got to win is exactly the same. The exact amount of trades and the exact amount of risk. It's all the same, straight through the board. So just remember, although it seems like a lot, 16,000 is just a number. The same way that 400 is just a number. Even 400 might seem scary to a lot of people. Okay, so now we're going to break down the results. Please definitely do hit that subscribe button if you are enjoying the content. You've learned how to do the strategy. Like I said, I'll leave a video at the end for that. Please definitely go and watch it if you want to make $1 million. So it's results time. So I've backtested BTC USD over 3 months. So now you're going to see the results from 49 to $1 million. Boom! Here we go. So the backtesting results. So from month 1, using the Hoffman strategy, we had 34 wins and 17 losses. Wins in a row was 7 and losers in a row was 2. And in the first month with the Hoffman strategy, remember we're risking 1% to make 1.5%. We gained 34% in 1 month, which is insane. It's amazing. This is all free information. All free, and this strategy is award-winning, by the way. Month 2, we had 29 winners and 16 losers. Wins in a row was 6 and losers in a row was 3. I've shown the backtesting for this in the previous video as well, so I won't show you now. Definitely go and check that out at the end of this video. Month 2, we made 27.5% gain, which was less than the first month. Still amazing profit. I've changed that from a 2 to a 3, I've just noticed. So, month 3. Same pair, same 15-minute time frame, 43 winners, which was our best, 21 losses, which was our worst. But we had 10 wins in a row and 3 losers in a row for 43.5% gain. Amazing, best profit we've done. So you're probably wondering, that's all well and good, but how am I making $1 million from $49? So across the 3 months gain, there was an average of 35% monthly increase, which is amazing. So this is going off an average. Remember, the market conditions always change. We have better and worse months. This is just an average. Definitely do your back testing. Choose your pair, copy the strategy. 35% increase in 1 single month is amazing. So you're probably wondering, how much is 35% increase on a $200,000 account? So let's check it out. So this here is the results from month 1. But month 1 we had a 34% increase. So I've removed one of the losses to make it 35, which remember was the average. And on a $200,000 account, this makes us a net profit of $70,000 in 1 month. Amazing. So now you're wondering, how long is it going to take to make 1 million? Let's find out. With a $200,000 account, you will reach 1 million profit in 14.2 months. 14.2 months, just over 1 single year. You could go from being on minimum wage, or being in a job you hate, or being in a situation you don't like, with $49 the price of a takeaway, scaling up through the different My Forex Fund accounts, starting with a 5,000 account, making your way up through them to the 200,000 account. 14 months of having that account, you could make $1 million. That is life-changing money. Hope you really did enjoy this video. I really appreciate it if you smash that like button down below. We make daily content here. Please definitely leave a like and a comment down below showing how much you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Let's go make some millions.